Hi guys, just a little bit of fun playing with magnets, copper wire and a battery, inspired by a video that Tellboy 2002 sent me on my Facebook page. I think it's on the Facebook page. Anyway, it's, well, I'll demonstrate first. I won't leave it running for very long because I've got it running off a small LiPo battery and I don't actually want to overload the LiPo battery. So I'll plug it in. And there we go. A little swinging, whatever he is. Something, it's actually a toy I found in the street. I think it's a fox of some sort. Anyway, he is swinging. Why is he swinging? Well, there is a magnet just there. And if I change the position of the magnet, it changes the way he swings. There's no driver circuit or anything here. All we've got, I'll just disconnect that battery again so I don't forget it. All we've got is a bit of copper wire with a bit of the insulation left on it, but cut away on the bottom, so it acts as a commutator, I suppose is the best way to put it. When it lays flat on the copper wire there, it makes contact, current flows. When current flows through a wire, it causes a magnetic field and either attracted or repelled by the magnet I've got there already. I've actually got it set so it's repelled, and then as it actually is repelled and pushes out the way, then the sides of this insulation come into play and disconnect the circuit. So it drops back again, makes contact, current flows, repels. Current circuit broken as it twists, drops back again, and so on. So we've got a simple little rocking motion just created by that little bit of insulation on the end there. It did take me a little while to get the position just right, and I expect now that I've shown you that bit of wire and that bit of insulation, I've probably messed it up again. Oh, still going. Just a bit closer, and that's going too far the other way. Yeah, there we go. So I don't like leaving that connected for too long because I'm a bit worried about the LiPo battery. You don't have to use a LiPo battery, it just happens that there's one laying on the table here, so that's what I used. So thanks Tellboy. I didn't want to copy the video that you showed me exactly, so this is slightly different, and it's a Grandad is an old man style one, so it's very rough and ready and could easily be improved. Wooden base, holes drilled in it, copper wire comes up, makes a little loop there for the bearing or pivot, and connect it up just there. Ooh, that's a bit warm. Yes, that LiPo battery was probably giving more current than it needed. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.